Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Arborist service businesses. For example, you are running an Arborist service business in which you can provide different facilities to your customer regarding tree inspection, pruning, trimming, etc. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever user or a customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Arborist service businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Arborist services, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Advanced Arborist Service, your expert team for tree care, pruning, inspection and seasonal advice. We are so glad you are here. Whether your tree needs, it will also provide me 3 options such as tree inspection, pruning, trimming or maintenance tips. If I'll click on tree inspection, then the bot will ask me for my full name. Please provide your full name. Here I am entering my full name. See, the bot will respond to me by my name. Thank you Meruz Khan for providing your name. Please share your property address. Here I am giving them one test address. Here I provided. See, the bot will respond to me automatically and giving me one confirmation message, that is your booking is confirmed. If I'll click on maintenance tip, then you can see the bot will respond to me while providing the maintenance services in Advanced Arborist service. So basically this is how our chatbot will created and this is how our bot will respond to your customer. It will provide them instant response. We will create this type of chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder without requiring any programming or coding skills. I'll teach you step-by-step direction of creating this type of chatbot for your Arborist service businesses. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credit allotted, your credit consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. While clicking on this, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the second is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you will click on this, then it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we will create a separate video for this. I provide the link of that video in the description box. Here you can also create multiple folders. In this section, you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond them here also. You don't have to open a WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list of your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your chatbots or messages, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used to send bulk messages to many users at once. It is in using approved template. It is useful for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we will also provide one video of how to use AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get help, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly flow builder. So I'll click on the flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see the total number of flows you are created, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot for our app development studio, so I'll click on this button plus add flow button. Here you can see this is the starting point of our flow. But before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our Arborist service businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. After that, on the left hand side you can see two options are there. The one is messages and the another is action. You can see under the messages and under the action different type of buttons are there. We can use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can upload your flow successfully. Now let's get started. Basically, there are the three ways to start your flow. The first is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expected that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex can identify specific type of user messages and it can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple type of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. As I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond any of the message of your customer. Now in the next step, I am adding one welcome message for my customer, so that whenever they send a message in my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one media button. Drag this message box here. Select media type as image. Here at first I am taking image because it is impactful and interesting for engaging interest of customer. Here I upload image of my Arborist service. See, here it will upload it. Now in the enter caption box, I am entering one welcome message for my customer. Here I write it. After that, here I am adding some buttons for my customer with the help of this plus add button. Here it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as tree inspection. The second button I will take as pruning and trimming, and the third button I will take as maintenance tip. Here I provided. After that, I'll connect the circle of the flow starting point to the welcome message where I wrote the details about my Arborist services. See, so in the next step, when my customer wants to click on this button tree inspection, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one question button for my customer. On the left hand side, you can click on action and select an ask question button. Drag this message box here and enter the message. Here I write it the message as well as I ask my customer to provide their full name. So for this, here I am selecting contact custom field as full name that I have already created. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here the name should be written in the text format, so here I am selecting the text. In this box you can also enter validation message if you want to provide to your customer. Now I am connecting the circle which are present in front of T inspection to the question which I asked to my customer. After this step, when my customer will provide me the name, then my bot will respond to them by their name. For this, I am adding another question box, ask question. Drag this question box here, and in this I am also ask my customer about their address details so that their booking should be confirmed. Here I write it. Here you can see I'll write $1 symbol before full name. This symbol is used for different names of the different customer. So with the help help of this symbol, your bot will respond to them by their name. In the end of this text, here I also ask my customer to share their property address. For this, here I am selecting another contact custom field as address, select format as text, and number of attempt I'll choose as 1, and I don't want to give the validation message for my customer, so I am leaving this box blank. Now I'm connecting this circle to this circle. After that, when my customer will provided me the address of their property, then my bot will respond to them while giving them thank you for visiting the Arborist service message as well as booking confirmation details. For this, here I am adding another text button. Drag this message box here and write the message. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect this circle, drag a line to this circle, so that my bot will easily respond to my customer. Now the next button is pruning and trimming. If my customer wants to know the details about the pruning and trimming that are provided in my Arborist service business, then they will click on this button and my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the pruning and trimming details that are available in my Arborist service business. Here I write it. After this, here I am giving one button to my customer such as why choose us. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of pruning trimming to the message where I wrote the details about the trimming available in my Arborist service. After that, when my customer wants to know more about my Arborist services, then they will click on this why choose us button. For this, here I am providing some more details about my advanced Arborist service business. Here I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and select the content type as text plus button. Here I am entering the details. Here I write it. After that, when my customer click on this button maintenance tip, then I am providing some tips to them. For this, here I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text button. Here I am writing the details regarding the maintenance tip. Here I write it. So our flow is completed. After this, I am clicking on this button, save flow button, so that my flow updated successfully. So this is the final look of our chat flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your Arborist service businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this chatbot will work and how this chatbot will respond to the customer by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Arborist services. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Advanced Arborist Service, your expert team for tree care, pruning, inspection and seasonal advice, while providing me 3 options such as tree inspection, pruning, trimming and maintenance tip that we were written here. See, tree inspection, pruning, trimming and maintenance tip. If I'll click on pruning and trimming, then they will provide me the details regarding the pruning and trimming services they are providing to us. If I'll click on why choose us, then you can see it will also provide some details. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and it will respond to your customer instantly. If I'll click on tree inspection, then they will ask me for my name. Please provide your full name. Here I am providing my name. Here I provided. See, it will respond to me by my name. Thank you, Mehruz Khan, for providing your name. Please share your property address as we were written here. See, with the help of this dollar symbol, my bot will respond to me by my name. If I'll provide them my property address, here I am providing one test address. See, it will show me thank you for sharing your address. Your booking is confirmed. So basically, this is how our chatbot will create it. This bot is created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. It will respond to your customer automatically and instantly. Thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.